Okay. I'm a little out of whack here, so because I changed my mind midstream. So I'm going to put this down. I'm going to get my blower. This is my Revlon, and I'm going to put it on low volume but heat, and I'm going to get this dry. That is that. Now I think I'm going to use the blower, the Tim Holtz blower, to push this out. Forget this. This is crimson. This is Sun Bright Yellow that I have diluted down. And the reason is, when you put like straight alcohol in this, it's going to be the red. It's my blower. It scared me. So, just forget it. All right. So, it would be just the red. This, since it's already diluted, is not going to pick up as much red. It's going to pick it up. But my yellow's already there. So it's already blowing out. I'll show you. The thing is like up against my chair. And I felt the rattle. I was like, holy crap. So, yeah. All right. Stop that. I put about a nickel's worth down. We'll let it kind of do its thing. Now, I'm keeping these petals blown like this. And I try to keep them going because this is really as far as I want it to go. So I kind of keep it dry, but I don't push it back like I do the white when I add the Blanco to it, because it just looks terrible. So I keep it going like that. Hopefully all of them will be that good. If you put too much ink, you're going to go off the page. If you're making a card, then who cares? Because that's going to be cut off anyway. But I'm going to see if I can't actually make this like a full-fledged this size picture. If not, it'll be a card. Now, I'm not, you can do a couple things here. You can go opposite and do like this, or you can go in order and it'll make the leaves look like they're on top of each other. So that's a pretty cool look. So I'm probably going to do that. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5 drops. I want to scoot that over a little bit. Yeah, that didn't do as pretty as this one, but I'm going to go with it. Because chances are I'm going to put another one like right there. And I'm just going to slow down because I really want it to start drying up about right there. And you know, at this point you can get and see it's starting to move a little bit on me. This. I have not mastered that, so let's see, do this one. Nope, see, I messed up. Shouldn't have done that. Yeah, I shouldn't have. I did it out of habit. Shouldn't have done that. No, don't do it. Don't do it. It's a mistake. It'll just get covered up or something. This is probably going into a card, to be honest. Keep pushing it back to that center. You go sideways, don't go back. That thing. I gotta move it now. Oh, see, it's just puddles. I don't like that. So I'm going to keep blowing it, blow it off. This will become a card. But I love, isn't that pretty? That's just gorgeous. The closer you get to it, the wider it'll get. So I do want to do that at first. Yeah, this one got thin on me. That's so pretty. Good grief. Okay, these are going to show up in a card, so I'm going to kind of mess that up. I'm going to get in this and you know, these are great if you're doing a small picture. So keep that in mind. If you're going to do something, I'm going to redo that one. I don't like it. Yeah, if you're doing like a 4x6 piece of paper. Okay, I'm not sure why I'm not getting it where I want it. Well, listen, we'll do that again. I just didn't put down enough alcohol, I'm guessing. Okay, I want that hard line gone, so I'm going to do one right here. Okay. I really want to put one here to even out some of this. But I don't, oh, yeah, I need to. Okay, that is good. That is good. Okay, so I've got these cut out. This is a little bit bigger than my card, but look, you can get a really good idea what you're dealing with. Now this has border on it, so this is probably the size of my border. So my card's going to go a little bit smaller, but that still gives you a really good idea if you want to pull it over or do something, you know. Yeah. So that's always good to have. It's a nice little tool. Okay. Well, let's finish this out then. All right. Where does it show my big one? There we go. Now, I'll be real honest. I'm probably going to glitter this. But I want this underneath it first. I love glitter in the center, especially on a card. And let's just add something. Look about the size. These are the Posca pens. Love them. Hadn't really found anything that compares yet. I'm always on the look, but I haven't found anything yet. I'm just going to put some of this around, concentrate it more in an area. I like to have it looking like there's a lighter side. Now, you can take... Let me get a clean one. These little micro brushes, you can see them. It's got a little fuzz on the end. It just kind of makes it to where they don't have that real sharp look. Like these are put down with the sharp looking dots. This just kind of blends them out a little bit. Makes it not so pokey dotty look. Now I do like to do this. I think it adds something to it. That's just my thing though. Okay, something I want to do. Where's my favorite? Oh, this is my favorite. And I got some more. Okay, yeah. This is Ranger. It's called Stickles. It's full. I mean, you don't get a lot of glue that doesn't have glitter in it. It's like a solid, packed full of glitter. Some of these have, you see a lot of glue, empty spots where there's no glitter. But I love this. This is fun. And it's a great color. And if you wanted to, after it dries, you can always go in there with a marker and dab on it. But all I do is just start taking this around. Now after a point, I quit pushing it out. Now I'm just going to spread it around. It doesn't add tons of color, but it's just something a little extra. You can see through it. So you can see my design. You can see my little marks. So you can see everything still. You see that? See if I can make it refocus. There we go. Yeah. So there you go. Now look, I've got tons of videos. Sorry, not tons, maybe 6. Videos where I do cards. So check out those. And I will put one at least right here. And yeah, check them out. It's going to be a pretty card. Ooh, that's my spot right there. Okay. Do this for a warm-up. It's fun. You're not going to mess it up. It's going to be great. All right, y'all go have fun. God bless.